Good morning, students. Now we will see the second chapter of your literature book, and the second chapter is a poem. Be the best, composed by Douglas Maluch. Douglas Maluch is an American poet. And a short story writer. Douglas Maluch, properly known as a lumberman's poet. His famous creation were Round River Drive and Good Timber. First of all, you have to read this poem carefully and remember all the word meanings, whatever given in this chapter. Now, look at the poem. What is about? Be the best. As you know, everyone has a goal. Everyone wants to be something in his life. You also, some of you want to be a doctor, some want to be an engineer, some scientist, and some want to be a writer, actor. I mean, everyone has a goal to achieve for his good life. But is it necessary to be famous to lead a meaningful life? क्या अच्छा जीवन जीने के लिए फेमस होना, प्रसिद्ध होना जरूरी है? क्या अच्छा जीवन जीने के लिए बहुत बड़े पोस्ट पे होना जरूरी है? This poem describes and say no. There is no need to be a famous person. There is no need to be on a good job. Yes. Live meaningful life. Live good life wherever you have. आप जहां हैं, जिस काम में हैं, जो काम आपको मिला है, उसी काम को अच्छे ढंग से करना है. And make every person happy with justice, with honesty. This is a poem about this. Now, we will look the poem. The first stanza is, If you can't be a pine, be on top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be. In this line, the poet want to say, this is not necessary to be a pine tree, which are found on the top of the valley ghati. It is not necessary to be a pine tree, but be a scrub in the valley. आप पाइन ट्री नहीं बन सकते हो जो घाटी के टॉप पे होता है, तो एक स्कर्ब तो बनो. स्कर्ब, शॉर्ट बुशेस ग्रोइंग इन द वैली, छोटे घास, छोटे झाड़ियां. आप पाइन ट्री नहीं बन सकते हो तो स्कर्ब बनो, लेकिन बनो द बेस्ट लिटिल स्कर्ब by the side of the reel. Here reel means a small stream, पानी की धारा, stream. रील के साइड में, स्ट्रीम के साइड में उगने वाला एक स्कर्ब ही बनो, लेकिन बनो. Again the poet says, be a bush if you can't be a tree. अगर आप पेड़ नहीं बन सकते तो एक बुश बनो, झाड़ी बनो, लेकिन बनो. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass and some highway happier make. फिर कहता है कवि यहाँ, इफ यू कांट बी ए बुश, अगर आप बुश नहीं बन सकते तो ग्रास ही बन जाओ, ताकि हाईवे के अगल बगल में आप दिखे, हाईवे खुश रहे. हाईवे खुश रहे मीन्स द पर्सन हु passes through the highway be happy. Now, if you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass. Here, muskie is a type of large fish which is found in North America. And bass is a common type of fish which is found in both seas and ocean. Here the poet says, if you can't be a muskie, be a bass. अगर आप बड़ी मछली जो फ्रेश वाटर में होती है, मस्की, वो आप नहीं बन सकते, तो आप बास ही बन जाओ ना. एक ऑर्डिनरी मछली बन जाओ जो समुद्र में भी रहे, ओशन में भी रहे, लेक में भी रहे, कहीं रहे, लेकिन बनो. Now, in your third stanza, we can't able be a captain. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There's something all of us for here. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सब कैप्टन ही बन जाए. कैप्टन is the person who in charge of a ship or an aircraft. And crew is a group of people who work on a ship or an aircraft, operate a ship or an aircraft. Here poet says, if you can't be a captain, because all of us can't be a captain. Then be a crew. Because there is something for all of us here. हम में से सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ है, तो कुछ तो बनो. There is a big work to do and there leisure to do. बड़े काम भी हैं हमारे पास करने के लिए, छोटे काम भी हैं हमारे पास करने के लिए. And the task we must do the near. और हमें वही काम करना चाहिए जो हमारे नजदीक है. Near me here in this poem, the near means the work which is in our hand. Do the work first which is in our hand, the near. In last stanza, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. In this line, the poet wants to say, it is not possible for all to be a highway. Highway is a broad road which connects either two states or more than two states. So, if you can't be a highway, be a trail. Trail, rough footpath, rough road. Road which passes through a jungle. Trail. So, if you can't be a highway, be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. अगर आप सूर्य नहीं बन सकते तो तारे बनो. It is not by size that win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Any work which is in your hand is not necessary a big work. It's not necessary to be a big size. It may be a small. It may be the type of work which you don't like, but enjoy where you are. This is the end of this poem, but remember one thing. In this poem, very positive poem, and I think a great poem, because this poem touches of our heart. This poem try to make us a positive person. Enjoy wherever you are. Do whatever job, whatever work you have given to do. And be careful for your family, your society, and other person. I mean all human beings, all creatures. Thank you.